Facebook. We're over here in Irvine, California. So this is the last day of our demo. I'll flip this thing around right now. I'll show you the big difference of everything. But yeah, we pretty much went through this place and handled our business here, took care of everything. Let me go ahead and flip this over. All right, so this is downstairs. You can see there was, I believe there was marble tile here. There was wood over here. Got everything down, everything ripped out. Everything's pretty level for the most part, you know. That was basically all wood over here. Now, let's take a look in this next room. This is basically where the kitchen used to be, but you know, homeowner wanted everything ripped out. They're gonna take everything out, start all over. So everything's pretty smooth here. This was their pantry. I believe it was a couple days ago we rented a jackhammer, got all the glue off everything, glues off all the floor. This was a closet. You can see everything is pretty much gone, everything from the floor. Now, next week we got ourselves the project here of just basically we got to go get some plywood, lay all that down. We're going to be laying down some flooring here. It's the room they wanted to keep this tile. It's basically the only thing that they did want to keep. Bathroom, floor's all ripped up. These stairs, they had carpet on them. Now they don't. Okay, so there's no carpet here anymore. There was carpet here. It's all out. There was carpet in this room. It's all out. Staples are all out. Everything's nice and level, ready to go. Bathroom. I don't know if they're gonna do wood in here or not, but everything is ready to go. Another bedroom, there was carpet in here. As you can see, everything's out. Another bedroom. Baseboards all off. Everything. Master bedroom. Had like a nice plank of tile, that's all gone. Walk-in closet, it's gone. All right, so that's pretty much the whole house. Go ahead and flip this thing around. So that's pretty much the whole house. We got everything out. Everything's pretty much demoed. Next week, like I said, we're gonna be coming in here, laying down some wood, and start our installation on, you know, the flooring. And it's gonna look great. Everything will look great once it's all said and done. All right, everybody have a great day. Enjoy your day, Facebook.